It's a game. It's a click-along. It's a play-along. Click the sign you'd like to play first. Skibo says, how high can you climb? Watch closely while Skibo does his train moves. Then click the buttons to do the exact same thing in the exact same order. Click the green start button to begin. Here we go. Skibo says, jump. Now jump. Right. This time Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Your turn. Jump. Pump. You did it. Now Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Then spin. Now you try. Jump. Pump. Spin. Perfect. This time Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Then spin. Then pump. Your turn. Jump. Pump. Spin. Pump. Nice work. Now Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Then spin. Then pump. Then spin. Now you try. Jump. Pump. Spin. Pump. Spin. Excellent. This time Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Then spin. Then pump. Then spin. Then flap. Your turn. Jump. Pump. Spin. Pump. Spin. Flap. That's it. Now Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Then spin. Then pump. Then spin. Then flap. Then spin. Now you try. Jump. Pump. Spin. Pump. Spin. Flap. Spin. Great job. Jump. Then pump. Then spin. Then pump. Then spin. Then flap. Then spin. Then kick. Now you try. Jump. Pump. Spin. Pump. Spin. Flap. Spin. Kick. Excellent. This time Skibo says, jump. Then pump. Let's take a ride on the Silly Hilly Express. Click the character you'd like to be at the front of your train. Which character would you like to be next in line? Click the character you want in the middle. Now click the character you want next in line. Good! That means Croaky is at the end of your circus train. Here we go! Click the buttons to change how your train moves. Give the cord a tug to hear the circus train whistle. Play as long as you like. Then click a sign at the top of the screen when you're ready to play something else. Chugga, 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 jump, chugga, jump, chugga, jump, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga, spin, chugga, spin, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga, spin, chugga, spin, chugga, spin, chugga, spin, chugga, flap, chugga, flap, chugga, flap, chugga, spin, chugga, spin, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, 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 jump, chugga, jump, chugga, spin, chugga, slap, chugga, flap, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga, pump. It's your turn to ride the circus train. Hop off your chair, find a space near the computer with plenty of room, and get ready to follow along. Click the green start button when you're ready to begin. Here we go. First, spin around like this. Spin, chugga, spin, chugga. We're going up a small hill. Now we're going down. Spin, chugga. Now, jump up and down like this. We're going up a big hill. Jump, chugga, jump, chugga, jump, chugga. Now we're going down. Jump, chugga, 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 jump, chugga. Now flap. Flap, chugga, flap, chugga, flap, chugga, flap, chugga. We're going up a small hill. Now we're going down. Flap, chugga. Now pump. Pump, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga. We're going up a big hill. Pump, chugga, pump, chugga, pump, chugga. Now we're going down. Pump, chugga, 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 pump, chugga. Now kick. Kick, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga, kick, chugga. We're going up a small hill. Now we're going down. Kick, chugga. Okay, we're coming to the circus train station. Get ready to stop. Whew, that was a great workout. Click the green start button to take another ride on the circus train. Or click a sign at the top of the screen to play something else.